What is up, guys? It's Drew here from Remix Life and Wealth. Do you even need financial protection? Well, that depends. I can't say yes or no. It really depends on your situation. Yours, not mine, not Fred's, your situation. But you might. The first thing we need to think about is what happens if you die? Let's first look at the mortgage. If you have a mortgage, say you owe $200,000 on your house, what happens to that when you pass away? Are your loved ones, your family, your kids, are they going to be able to pay for that mortgage? Do you want them to have to pay for that mortgage? Or would you rather have some type of financial protection in place to make sure that when that day comes, that is given to them free and clear, nothing to worry about? The second thing you have to think about is income replacement. If something happens to you, how is your family, how is your kids, what are they going to do to replace your income? If you're the main breadwinner or even a big part of the income in your household, you're going to need to think about some type of financial protection to ensure that when you pass away, your income for your household doesn't go like that. That's going to present a problem for your loved ones. What we would look at in that case is how much financial protection do we need to ensure that when I pass away, my loved ones and my family, my spouse, my kids, whoever that is for you, is going to be able to keep living at the same standard of living, or at least close to it, for the rest of their lives. And that's not as big of a number as most people think. Now, the other thing that's going to be a factor is what type of assets that act as financial protection, or what other financial protection you have in place now compared to what you might want that to look like. At the end of the day, it comes down to two things. If you have an unsecured debt or a mortgage, like most people, or if you're the main income in your household with no way of replacing that when you pass away, you're going to want to look at some type of financial protection to ensure that your family and your loved ones can maintain a good lifestyle after you're gone. Now, here at Remix Life and Wealth, we have a solution for you. Too many people are buying insurance and losing money on it at the end of the day. We don't think that's a good idea. That's stupid. We would recommend a term life insurance with a return of premium rider, meaning at the end of your 20 or 30-year term, you get all your money back. No questions, no fakes, no small print, nothing like that. You get every single penny back, 100%. So, what that means for you and your family is you have financial protection in place while you need it, and if you don't use it 20 or 30 years from now when that term expires, you get a fat check just as you're probably entering retirement and needing it the most. These policies also come with living benefits, which provide coverage for many types of disabilities. So if you become disabled, you could be qualified to receive the death benefit before you die. These are the only types of life insurance that give all your money back if you don't use it. You have car insurance. Did they ever pay you back? Mine never did. You got insurance on your phone. You got insurance on your house. You got insurance on everything, and nobody gives your money back if you don't use it. Life insurance doesn't have to be that. With a return of premium rider on your term policy, you get every single penny back if you don't use it. So best case scenario, you keep living, and at the end of the term, you get all your money back. Worst case scenario, you don't live as long as you thought you would, and 10 years, 5 years, God forbid, next month, something happens to you, your family is protected, and they're getting the death benefit to replace your income or pay off the mortgage on the house right away. Here at Remix Life and Wealth, we believe these plans are a great fit for most families. Not all, but most. If you think this might make sense for you, fill out the form below, and a Remix Life agent will be happy to show you exactly how these plans would work for your specific, unique situation.